Good day, sir. My name is John Farah Rodriguez, section of S2Z, and I'm going to explain the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System and Subsystem. The Global Maritime Distress and Safety System, or GDMSS, is an internationally agreed upon system designed to enhance maritime safety and facilitate efficient rescue operations. Ang GMDSS ay isang sistemang kinikilala sa buong mundo na dinisenyo upang mapabuti ang kaligtasan sa dagat at mapadali ang mga operasyong pagsagip para matiyak na ang mga barkong nasa panganib ay makukontak sa mga serbisyo ng pagsagip at iba pang barko. First, an overview of the GDMSS and its subsystem. O mao ni ang 7K components of GDMSS. Number 1, Digital Selective Calling or DSC. DSC is an automated radio system used for calling other ships or coast stations. It allows for the transmission of distress alerts at the push of a button, specifying the ship's identity, position, and nature of the distress. O mao ni ang ikaduha, ang Inmarsat. The International Maritime Satellite Organization or Inmarsat provides satellite communication services for ships. This includes voice, text, and data services for routine and distress communications. Mao na ang ikatulo, Navtex. Navtex is an automated direct printing services that provides navigational and meteorological warnings and urgent information to ships. It broadcasts text message on medium frequencies. Ug ang ikaapat, Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon or EPIRB. EPIRBs are devices that transmit distress signals when activated. They provide the ship's position and identification details to rescue authorities via satellites. Ug ang ikalima, Search and Rescue Radar Transponder or SARTs. SARTs are radar transponders used to locate lifeboats or distressed vessels. When activated, they respond to radar signals when a series of dots on the radar display, indicating the lifeboats or vessel positions. O ang ika-unom, Automatic Identification System. The AIS is used for tracking and identifying ships. It provides real-time data on a ship's location, speed, and course, which can be used for collisions, avoidance, and safety. O ang last, ang mga ikapito, Maritime Safety Information. MSI encompasses various services, provides navigational and meteorological warnings, forecast, and other urgent safety-related information. Og mao ni ang GDMSS subsystems. Ang una, number 1, ship-to-ship communication. The subsystem ensure the ships can communicate with each other in times of distress or for routine safety purposes. Include ni ang VHF, MF, and HF radio communication equipped with DAC capabilities. Kaduha, number 2, ship-to-shore communication. This subsystem facilitates communication between ships and coastal stations. It includes ang Inmarsat o terrestrial radio system with DEC for distress and routine communication. Ang ikatulo, shore-to-ship communication. Coastal station and rescue coordination certains can broadcast safety and distress messages to ships. Include na po dani ang Navtex and safety net services. Ang ikaapat, SAR or Search and Rescue Operation. This subsystem involves coordination between ships, aircraft, and rescue coordination center. To conduct search and rescue operation, it uses EPIRBs, SARTs, and AIS communication system to locate and rescue distressed vessel or individuals. Muni ang operational areas and sea areas. Ang GDMSS defined 4 sea areas based on the availability of communication coverage. Number 1, Sea Area A1. Within range of VHF coast station, magrin siya mga 20 to 30 nautical miles. Ang kaduha, Sea Area A2, beyond A1, within range of MF coast station, 100 to 150 nautical miles. Ang ikatulo, Sea Area A3, beyond A1 and A2, within the Inmarsat coverage area, excluding polar region. Sea Area A4, polar regions outside the coverage of Inmarsat, relying on HF communications. The GDMSS ensure a comprehensive and efficient system for maritime communication and distress signaling, significantly improving the safety of life at sea. By integrating various technologies and protocols, it allows for rapid and effective responses to emergencies, thereby safeguarding ships, cargo, and crew members worldwide. And that's all, sir. Thank you.